Cotton Poppy is marketed as an online clothing store offering trendy styles, attractive discounts, and boutique-style fashion that can look difficult to resist. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online clothing store with heavy promotions is automatically fake. Some newer stores genuinely are trying to build a customer base. What it does well: the website may look professional. Modern e-commerce designs can create a polished and trustworthy appearance. The clothing styles can look attractive. Product photos are designed to create a premium impression, where the concerns start appearing. Heavy discounts can be a warning sign. This is the biggest issue. Constant 50 to 80% sales can sometimes create artificial urgency. Product photos do not guarantee product quality. Professional images may not always match the real materials or fit. Independent reputation may be limited. Less public history makes it harder to judge long-term reliability. So, should you buy from Cotton Poppy? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately call it fake, but shoppers should avoid assuming that attractive branding automatically means high-quality products and service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.